One of the applications of artificial intelligence can be using it in fields where you have no expertise at all. Let's suppose you have no background in programming, but you want to create a program for your AutoCAD or any other software that can perform a specific task. For example, I want to write a program in the AutoList programming language for AutoCAD that can delete certain specified layers. The scenario I have in mind is that I've drawn a series of shapes. These yellow ones are on one layer and these blue ones are on another layer. In fact, I've created two layers here. Let me open the layers for you so you can see. I was on Persian for a moment, that's why. Anyway, as you can see, I have two layers. All these yellow shapes are on layer 1 and all these blue ones are on layer 2. Actually, I think the correct term is cyan. The color is cyan. I want it to be really easy. For example, when I click on one of the yellow shapes, all of its instances get deleted. Now to do this, as usual, I simply use artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any other model that can perform programming tasks for you. Here, I type in my request. I had already written this before so we don't waste time, and as you can see, it starts writing the AutoList code for us. All I have to do is wait a few moments, then just copy this code, and then on my system, I right-click here, create a new file as a text file, then I just need to rename the text file, give it a meaningful name. For example, I might name it delete, or just D, or anything else, really. I add the .lsp extension here and hit enter, and then all you need to do is open this file with Notepad. I right-click and open it with Notepad. Now all I have to do is paste what I copied earlier into this file. I hadn't copied it yet, so let me bring it up again, copy the whole thing and paste it here. Then I save it, just save it, and let's move on to the next step. In the next step, I open up AutoCAD, and here I just need to click on Upload. I click Upload, select this ALSP file that we just created, and hit Load. The file gets loaded, and I click Close. Now what command should I type for it to execute? You see, in this same file, if you open it in Notepad, just right-click and open, you'll see that the name of this command is Coli. Of course, it can be any other name. That's not a problem at all. So here, all I need to do is go back into AutoCAD and type Coli. I type the Coli command and press Enter. Now what does it say? It says, select the object. So I just need to click on this, and as you can see, the elements are deleted. Now if I press enter again and click on these, you'll see that it easily deletes the elements I selected. No matter which layer they're on, it deletes all the elements of that layer for me. So definitely practice this. Try out different commands, create them in AutoCAD, and make use of them. See you in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that as soon as a new tutorial is released, you get notified. See you in the next lesson.